Hello and welcome to this video. This is DGC and we are doing something slightly different today, or should I say this evening. And yep, as you can see here is a design that I am currently trying to, or currently going to print it on a 7-ounce cup, which is like this one here. I don't know if you can see it. This is a 11-ounce cup. And yeah, anyway, so I'm going to take you through the stages, what to do when you're actually printing your own cups or t-shirts or anything that you want to print. You will need a few things to do this. You will need a cup press. You will need cups, obviously, and obviously you will need a design. Now, this is my very own design. This is for a weekend that I'm doing to, obviously in Blackpool. It's an LGBTQ plus whatever event happening in Blackpool, Rainbow. And yeah, so I've decided to do a couple. Well, I've got a few orders for a few cups, and I'm going to take you through what you need to do to actually do the actual cups. So first of all, as you can see, yep, we've got the design. So the next part is going to be preparing the machine and preparing everything that you need when you get the cup, when you need to do the stuff. But I'm going to have to go from this system to another system, so you may see a bit of the change of like the different layouts and stuff, but don't worry, I've managed to it's just the way that this my system works at the moment. But anyway, let's get on with this. So right now, as you can see, I've got the cup press up. I've got these 11-ounce cups, and I'll just open one up if we can get one up. So there we go, there's an 11-ounce cup. And right, anyway, the next thing what I need to do is I need to use this USB. Right now, as you can see, I'm set up on this Windows 7 computer, and I'm trying to set it to print, if it will print. This thing is so slow. Right, so what we need to do is we go to that one, then we go there, like that. So it fits the design in, and then you go to options. It'll let me. No, printing preferences, is it? Yes, right. And then you go to more options. Oh, more options, there we go. And we want print a mirror image, print mirror image. And then we want high quality. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to print this on, print this on that one. So it's this printer, this 3111, sorry, and this is our sublimation printer, and it's the only printer we've got that's actually only USB, so this is why I'm having to use this system. So then we go to, right, so that should be okay. Now we'll do a test print. Now I'm just printing on normal A4 paper, and let's see what the quality is like, because it's always good to do a test print before you actually do the actual print, especially if you haven't used a printer for quite a while, and we haven't really used this printer for quite some time. Right, so as you can see here, I printed two sort of examples here, one here and one there, just to test out how the printer is printing. And apart from the color change a little bit, as you can see, it's a little bit color change. It's probably the best I'm going to get it, But you can also mess around with the colour change. You mess around with the sort of the profiles, which probably what I really need to mess around with. But yeah, that's some for future reference. But as you can see, it is mirror image. That one isn't mirror image. That one is how it should look at when it's on the cup. That is how it should print out when you're actually printing it out, because you're mirror imaging it. So basically, this is going to look like that. So right, anyway, let's get on to the to the final printing on the actual printer paper, on the actual sublimation paper. We'll start doing the actual pressing on the cups and start getting everything all prepared, and then we'll see what the final result is. Right, so the printer paper is actually in the printer now. And now we're going to actually print it. So we'll go to print. Right. So now it's, if you can remember right, it's this 13 by 18 centimeter. Then we click not to fit on canvas. Then we want 2 per sheet. If we can. Yep, so it's 2 per sheet, and then we'll click options, then we'll click on printer preferences, then we'll click on more options, and just make sure that that is actually printed. Sorry, that's actually ticked. Then we click on OK, then we press print, and this thing should start printing now. Oh, it's torn up a bit of the bloody paper there, didn't it? It always does that. That doesn't matter, that part will be chopped off anyway. Right, so while this is printing, we'll skip to the next part. Right, so as you can see there, both of the things are printed. So that's the final, that is the final result. Now we need to let this dry a little bit. So we'll let that dry for about 10-15 minutes. So let the ink dry. It's always handy to do that. That's what they always say. And then we'll get onto the actual printing of the the final stage of the cups, and I'll try and get this all cut down and everything. And yeah, the kitty cat is doing a little psst. What are you doing, you? Yeah, she's a nosy thing. Oh, I'll tell you. Right, anyway, we'll go on to the next thing once they're dry. Right, now, as you can see now, what I've done is I finally got this stuff printed out, and it's all cut down. So that's one of them, and I've already got one on the cup. So the next thing is what we need to do is we need to start putting it in here. So we've got that in there. So then we clamp it shut like that. And then we need to switch on the thing there, and it heats up. And once it heats up, it will beep, and that alarm will sound saying that it's ready. And then you switch it off, and then you need to put it on something that will let it cool down. If I can find something that could be used. Nope. Right. So yeah, so once this is done, it will beep, and it's good not to touch it. You have to be careful once you get it out of the thing, because it can be red hot, especially if you use the handle. So it's always good to let it cool down a little bit. And yeah, so once that's done, then we will leave it to cool down, be pretty much all okay, printed out. And all these stuff, this machine you can buy off eBay. I will put the link in the description below if anyone wants to buy anything like this. But the cups you can buy in bulk. I can't remember exactly how much I bought the cups for, but I think about 24 cups in bulk, and you can get them all in bulk, which is usually a lot better to do that way. And yeah, you just use this special tape that this yellow tape, this special tape. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's it. It's all done. So now we can turn that off. Now let's see if I can take this bloody thing out without it burning me. Right. And now that needs to be somewhere cool. But yeah, so that is what it's like when it's all done. Yeah, I did put it the right way around. That's good. I just thought, oh crap, I've put it on the wrong way around. But no, I have put it the right way around. Right. So we will come back when this cup is cooled down, and we will see what it's like when it's all done. Right, now you can see the finished products. So here it is. Here's the rainbow cup. This is one of the best ones that I've done up to now. I've got the other one in there. This one is mine, obviously, because it's a bit faded, and yeah, it hasn't been printed out very well. Right, so that is how you do a cup printing. And yeah, anyway, I will see you all next time on another video. But for now, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.